Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel DevTown. So guys, as in the previous video, we have discussed about some of the shortcut, how to auto sum, autofill. So now topic for our today's is very important, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in the Excel. Okay, so now before starting with an example, let us discuss about what is VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So guys, we use VLOOKUP for the vertical search. Okay, in our Excel, and we use HLOOKUP for the horizontal search. Okay guys, I hope that this thing is clear. So basically these two functions are used for the searching in the Excel, by which we use to search our data. Okay, so now let us just see with an example how we can do it. Suppose we went to a shop and we buy an item. Okay, for an suppose we have chips. It can be any item. Okay guys, so we have made a list here of the item for which we will create a data. So let me color it. Okay, so guys, I have told you how you can use the color in the Excel. You just have to go in the home, select this. Okay, I want to change the color to, yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so now here I will enter the cost of the item. Okay, suppose 200 and 300, 1900. You can write any cost according to your requirement, there is no issue. Perfect. So now here what we will do, we will create a sale data. Okay, and sale is always higher than the cost, so we have to enter the amount higher than the cost. Guys, this thing is very much simple. Okay, so now what we will do, so now guys, we will first start with the VLOOKUP. So for which you have to copy these, the upper column, and you have to paste it in the place where which you want your VLOOKUP to be operated. Okay, so now let me do it. Okay, let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now what I have to do, the next thing, I have to go to the data, and here I have to use these data tools. Okay, first I have to select it, then data, which I have to go to the data validation. Okay, so now what I have to do here, I have to select the list. As you can see, after the selecting the list, so now this source is available here. So now what I have to do, I have to select all the items here. Okay, as you can see now, it is showing in this source all the this column numbers and the cell location is present in the source. So now guys, what you have to do, you have to click OK on it. So okay, as you can see, as soon as I press the OK, so I here see a icon here. So now what this icon is referring, so our all the items which was in this list now is presented here. Okay, so after that you have to follow a very simple step. You have to start with the equal to, and you have to write the VLOOKUP. Guys, you have to press Control plus A button after writing this. Okay, so as soon as I press this button, see, like, now the function argument is open on my screen. Okay, so now let me tell you how you have to operate this. Okay guys, guys, now what you have to do here. Okay, so for this lookup value, you have to select the item. Okay, and for this table array, you have to select this full table here. Okay, and for this column index number, as A is the first column, so you have to write the 1 here. Okay, and for this range lookup you have to press the 0. And if you have to like want to know the definition of it, you can also see it here. The excel is showing everything. So range lookup is a logical value to find the closest match in the first column. Okay, so it always remains the 0. And you can also see what this column index used for is the column number in the table array for which the matching value should be written. The first column of the values in the table is the column 1. Okay, so this thing I have told you. Okay guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear how to you have to like fill the function arguments here. Now guys, as soon as I press okay here, see now item is here. Okay, now I have to come to the cost. I have to like perform this same thing again, but there will be a similar change. Okay, so again I have to press the control plus a. Now in this lookup value okay, so this all items are present here, so again I have to like select this item for this lookup value, the L1, and in the table array I have to again select it from here to here. Okay guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear. Okay, and now there is a one change. So now in this column index number, I have to write the 2, and this range lookup will be 0. Okay, now I have to press the OK. Yeah, perfect. Now again this same thing with the sale. Okay, so again I have to write the lookup control plus A. I have to select item in this and full table array in this. Okay, now I have to write the 3 in it, and the range lookup is 0. Okay, so now it is showing all the value, correct guys? So now let me show you a very interesting thing. So now guys, now suppose I want to see the price, cost and sale of the sauce. So what I will do, I will write the sauce here. As soon as I press the enter guys, see now all this thing is refreshed. It will show me all the cost and sale of the sauce. Okay, and now if I want to see the pen, value doesn't have data validation restriction defined for this cell, retry. Okay, so now it is, wait a second guys, I think that we have done some mistake in the data validation, because for the source it is running perfect. Okay, but I think guys that this thing is clear how you can use the vlookup. Okay, see guys, you can do anything for the CPU. If I want to search, okay, so CPU is also running. Okay, for the pizza is also running. I think it like issue with the pen. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay guys, I hope that now this thing is clear how you can use the vlookup and hlookup. Okay, and apart from it we can also see it from the here. For the pen I can see from the here. There is no issue guys, it is very easy. Okay, see. Okay guys, I hope that vlookup is clear. Now guys, we will learn about the hlookup. So guys, for hlookup we have to transpose the table. Okay, so now we will do it with the new function. Let me tell you, we will use paste special here. Okay, so now for which you have to just simply copy it. Okay, let me copy it, wait a second. Yeah, perfect. Let me copy it, control plus C. Now if I come here and press a right key, so here option come here, paste special. Okay, so now at the bottom you see there is a option called transpose, so I will press the OK. See guys, now our data is pasted here, but just it is transpose. Okay, so now guys, the process is same as the vlookup. So I will copy this thing here and paste it where I want my data to be processed. Okay, so now what I will do, I will select the item, again go to the data, again go to the data validation where it is. Yeah, perfect, data validation. So again I will select this list, In the source I will select all the this upper part, all the items here, and press the OK. Okay, so now all the items are present here, guys. You can see now the process is very simple. So now what I have to do, I have to come here. Now now apart from the VLOOKUP, now I have to type the HLOOKUP here. Okay, I will select the HLOOKUP, then control plus A. Now okay, as you can see, it is showing the function argument here. Just select the items here, and for this table array I have to again select this full table here. Okay, and for this I need to again write the 1 and this lockup range 0. Press the OK. Okay guys, so this thing is very much clear, and for the cost I have to also do the same prod thing, h lookup, control plus A. Okay, so this lookup value in this, which we have to add the item in this table, again this full table. For this I have to write the 2, and this range lookup 0. Okay, and for this again I have to the control plus A. Okay, sorry, I have to first write the h lookup, control plus A, this item again, this table, it is 3 now, and this 0. Press the OK. Okay guys, perfect. So now if I want to again see the any price, see guys, now it is also very simple. Okay, I can also search this here like in the VLOOKUP. See guys, okay, so this is how we're gonna deal with the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. I hope that these both functions are very much clear to you guys. It is very simple. Okay, just practice once in your Excel sheet, and I think that all the doubts and the things will be very much clear, guys. Okay, and guys, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from the tech talk. Thank you guys.